Hello, my name is Steve DeWeese. I'm with the Biomedical Engineering Technology program here at St. Philip's College, and today we're going to do an instructional video on the Abbott Plum A+. First, we'll go over the exterior components and keys of the infusion pump. Here is your cassette door and the lever that open and close it. We have our hard keys here on the keypad, start, stop, on, off, our numeric values, silence for the alarms, and your up and down select. Here below the LCD screen, we have our soft keys used to select options on the LCD screen. This being your LCD screen, these are your two flow indicators during infusion. On the rear of the machine, we have our volume knob here, our key lock switch, and our nurse call port there. Prior to turning on your machine, you're going to need a primed cassette. To do so, you invert the cassette, you open your flow regulator by turning it counterclockwise till you see a drip in your pumping chamber. Then you turn the cassette back over and let the fluid run to the end of your administration set. You close the flow regulator and insert it in your cartridge door. Then you can turn on your machine. After power on, the machine will go through a quick self-check before coming to the main delivery screen. Today we're going to go over sample delivery. To do that, you'll select line A and it'll bring you to the line A program screen. On the line A program screen, we have rate, volume to be infused, and duration. For example, we'll enter 5.5 milliliters per hour for the rate. Move down to volumes to be infused. We'll hit 0.5 and it automatically calculates your duration. If needed, you can find your drug list on the therapy soft key by pressing here. The list comes up, you can scroll through whichever one you need, page up, page down, but since we're doing simple delivery, we'll just go back. Then you just hit start and you'll see a flow indicator here and line A shows pumping. When you're ready to stop your pump, you hit stop. From here, you can see line A is stopped and your flow indicator has stopped. To clear your settings, here you'll select line A, select clear program. It'll ask you if you want to clear your settings. You click yes, and then your settings are cleared. From here, we can power off the machine and open your door and remove your cassette. This concludes our instructional video on the Abbott Plum A+ infusion pump. Thank you for watching.